Introducing aPriori.
So in summary, some of the things we accomplished with this project was we created a digital factory for our internal fabrication, specifically to support third-party fabrication estimates. So not to run our own business, but actually to do work for other companies. And we created a hard tooling parametric estimator, which I think is going to be helpful as we go forward. And maybe the biggest thing out of this slide here is this efficiency. We created a process to create a time-based recurring and non-recurring estimation that can be completed in hours as opposed to days. We took a lot of the manual handoffs, manual communications, and turned that into an automated process. The automated BOEs, it populates, functional organizations can look at that and then they can sign off if they agree with it or they can make the changes. And we also created work instructions, so that gives the members of the team, information about how to use the tools we created, how to manipulate if they need to.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.